What's up, y'all? Welcome back to From Someone's Kitchen. If you're new here, hey, pull up a chair, grab a plate, and stay a while. Now listen, today we are making a Cuban bowl, and before anybody gets loud in the comments, let me say this up front. I am not Cuban, but I am Black, I am Southern, and I do know good food when I taste it. And this bowl got history. This bowl got patience. This bowl got flavor that don't rush for nobody. So, if you like real food, cooked slow, with love, from somebody's kitchen, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now because this channel is exactly what you've been looking for. I'll wait. All right, let's cook. I poked holes all through this pork shoulder so that marinade could get all up in there. Because surface seasoning is cute, but we want commitment. Mojo is simple, but don't confuse simple with boring. We're talking fresh orange juice, lime juice, a whole lot of garlic because garlic is protection. Cumin, oregano, salt, pepper, olive oil. This pork been marinating for hours, and I mean 24 hours, because flavor needs time to move in and unpack. This pork has been slow cooking until it's falling apart, tender, juicy, doing exactly what it's supposed to do. And here's where I'm going to challenge you. If you stop here and just shred it, you're wrong. We're putting this under the broiler for a few minutes. Why? Because texture matters. Soft and crispy. That's flavor talking. Now we build yellow rice first, always. Then black beans. Then that pork crispy, juicy, smelling like patience, plantains on top. And if you want to take it there, squeeze a fresh lime, cilantro. This is not fast food. This is sit-down food. This is go get a fork food. This channel is about real food, real kitchens, real life. Sometimes it's my kitchen. Sometimes it's somebody else's. But it's always cooked with intention. So if you want more meals like this, more slow food, more honest cooking, more flavor without the fake fancy, subscribe to From Someone's Kitchen. Like this video, drop a comment, and tell me where you're watching from. Because we're building something over here, and I'm glad you're in the kitchen with me.